Hello children, today we will start new chapter of history from trade to territory. The company establishes power. The Britishers came India as a small trading company. In first picture, Britishers wanted to take permission from Indian ruler for trade. But in second picture, Britishers became ruler. Think what had happened. How Britishers became rulers. Regarding it, we will study in this chapter. Aurangzeb was the last powerful Mughal ruler who had established control over a very large part of India. Why we are calling Aurangzeb was last powerful Mughal ruler? We are calling Aurangzeb last powerful ruler because his successors were weak and incapable to manage the vast empire. Aurangzeb established a very large part of India. So, to control and manage the empire, he appointed governors who were known as Mughal governors. But after his death in 1707, Mughal governors, Subedars, the chiefs of the provinces and big zamindars, big owners of land or landlords established their own small kingdom. They became ruler of that particular area. You can see three pictures here. First picture of King Ranjit Singh in Punjab. Second picture is of Nawab Murshid Quli Khan in Bengal. And third picture is of Tipu Sultan in Mysore. So, these all people forcefully maintained their authority and established a regional kingdom. This resulted into deterioration of Delhi. Deterioration means decline or collapse of Delhi as an effective center. On the other hand, what was going on Britain? East India Company came to the East in 1600. It acquired means obtained a charter. Charter is a written grant, means written permission. So it obtained a written permission from Queen Elizabeth, granting it the sole right. Sole right means single right to trade in East. With this charter, company could travel across the oceans and look for new country from where they could buy goods at a cheap price and sell it at higher price. This enabled the company to trade fearlessly in East without any competitors from England. But was it easy for East India Company to trade in India? No, the Royal Charter could not prevent other European powers from entering the Eastern market. Before Britishers, Portuguese and Dutch already came to India. Portuguese Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1498 at Calicut. Portuguese traders got their base in Goa. Dutch got their base at Pulicat and French at Pondicherry. These all were competitors, and in the European market there was big demand of cotton, silk and different spices of India. But all companies were interested to buy these products. What did company do then? In order to safeguard their interest, each and every trading company entered into trade war. They were sinking ships. They were sinking ships of their competitors. They blocked sea routes so they could not reach to the market. And fortified means making long walls around their trading post and also maintained army to protect their goods. So children, rest part of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.